If you've accidentally deleted messages on Temu 2025, there are a few steps you can take to try and recover them. Follow these steps to attempt recovery. Step 1. Check the trash or deleted items folder. Many messaging apps have a trash or deleted items folder where deleted messages are temporarily stored. Open the app and look for this folder to see if your messages are there. Step 2. Restore from backup. If you regularly back up your device, you may be able to restore your messages from a recent backup. Go to your device settings, find the backup option, and follow the prompts to restore your data. Step 3. Use a recovery tool. There are various third-party recovery tools available that can help retrieve deleted messages. Research and choose a reputable tool, then follow the instructions provided by the software to scan your device for recoverable messages. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the above steps do not work, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support. They may have additional methods or tools to assist you in recovering your deleted messages. Step 5. Prevent future loss. To avoid losing important messages in the future, consider regularly backing up your messages or enabling any available autosave features in the app settings. By following these steps, you may be able to recover your deleted messages on Temu 2025. Always remember to back up important data to prevent future loss.